Mwena wa KAIRU RUIRU kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU nikuo mugithi wa kambuni ya uthondeki na wendia wa njohi ya Kenya BREWERIES Limited urahuriirwo cabi muingi ugithomithio bata wa kunyua njohi na njira ya uigiririki. Urugamiriri wa kambuni ino unyitaniri na sesheni ya kameme utariirie ukoretwo ukinyitanira na thirikari niguo gutigirira njohi iria irenderio muingi ni kinyanirie ikiro cia kuhuthika.
Business as Kenya BREWERIES Limited, KBL and Senator, the commitment remains to keep providing a safe, reliable and affordable product that the consumers can buy and trust and enjoy, as I said, responsibly and after the end of the long day. The commitment by the business and especially a senator and at the front line of really driving that advocacy for safe, reliable beer. This is the commitment that we provide as a business and as a company.
Wale wanauza ile pombe ile ya kuchanganyisha watu, wanapata mtu amelala kwa mtaro, unapata mtu ametoa ule usaa kwa mabua nini wapi, lakini senator is a real pure alcohol.
Matariirie njohi muthemba wa Senator Keg ni teithiriirie kunyihia uhuthiri wa njohi cia ibango kuria meraniire guthie na mbere na guthondeka indo cia ikiro cia iguru.
Senator was created in 2004 in partnership with the government as an alternative to illicit brew. So this continues to be the partnership and the ethos behind why Senator exists, and in partnership with the government, and that's why we want to provide safe alternative beer to our consumers across the country.
Hamwe noguo moritie aria mehokeirwo njohi ino kwaga kwenderia andu matakinyitie miaka 18 guku ningi makiuria ahuthiri ayo kunyua na uigiririki na oho mundu ndakae kunyua njohi na atwarithie ngari.
Some winners get a chance to nominate their community-based organization of choice, where they can then share part of their winnings to these communities, which impact farmers, impact other communities, and building projects, creating projects for empowering and improving the livelihoods of various communities. So it's also a chance, as a consumer is winning when they participate, for them to also extend their winning with the community, their livelihoods, and improve those that are around them or those that they know.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.